how to be successful. In this summary video, I'm going to tell you everything that we discussed in the prior videos in order to summarize this course. So remember, you should always focus on seizing and creating opportunities. You also need to develop a positive work ethic and a strong work ethic by delaying gratification and sacrificing the present day in order to work really hard so that you don't have to work hard in the future, and your future self will thank you for the hard work that you put in today. The other thing that you need is a positive mindset. When you have these three things, the opportunity, the hard work, and the mindset, then the power, the influence, and the access, rather, or the attention that people will give you will automatically flow to you, because you're creating, you have power when you build up a big business and you create a brand and you create a product that other people want. The great thing that a lot of people don't know is that when you build up momentum and you seize opportunities, you have a great work ethic, and you have a positive mindset, then power, influence, and people's attention will automatically flow to you inherently. So all you have to do is focus on creating opportunities, building a product, taking action, having a very strong work ethic, and also having a positive mindset. Remember that in order to accomplish success, you're going to have to forego all the things that are eating at your time, and you have to learn monetizable skills. So if you enjoy something but you're unable to teach other people how to do it, you're unable to find a way how to monetize it and to how to earn money from it, then you should forego that and find something that you're also passionate about, but which you can turn into a money-making opportunity. So remember, always be learning, increase your knowledge, increase your skills, and learn monetizable skills. The other thing that you have to focus on is health, both physical and mental health. Make sure that you take care of yourself, that you have positive psychology. If your friends are weighing you down and they're negative, then change your friends. If you can't change your friends, then wait until you are 18 years old, if you're listening to this and you're younger, and surround yourself with positive people who are going to help you. I went to an Ivy League university, and I can't tell you how many people, even at a great and prestigious Ivy League university, have grown up to be losers because they have mental illness, they didn't take care of their bodies, and now they're struggling or working in a job that they hate, and they have a substantial amount of regret because they did not take care of themselves. So learn monetizable skills, make sure that you're healthy both physically and mentally, make sure that you engage in hard work and you forego the instant gratification which is conditioned us. Social media has conditioned us in order to love instant gratification by posting pictures and then being curious as to how many likes and follows and comments that we get. But the reality is, if you want to create a sustainable business, build a product, or build a brand, you're going to have to get in the trenches and do work that is not going to be recognized, that you're not going to get patted on the back for, that you're not going to be supported by. So have that intrinsic motivation. Do not be motivated by extrinsic factors, and develop that strong work ethic so that you can work extremely hard now to set yourself up in the future. And the final thing is to use your time well. Unsubscribe from the fake gurus. Do not listen to them. Recognize that in order to make money and to build up your power, influence, and success, and your ability to have and gain people's attention, you're going to have to create a lot more that you consume. You're going to have to create maybe 500, 1,000 videos, learn monetizable skills, increase your skill set, give value to other people, help them out, and by doing that, you will eventually create better habits and you'll be on your way to being successful. This is David Jaffe. This concludes this course. You can find out more information about me on two of my websites, davidjaffe.com and beststockstrategy.com. If you're interested in trading options, you can go to beststockstrategy.com. Last year I made almost $1 million trading options. I teach people how to trade successfully. Some of my students make more than 50% every single year. Almost all of my students, and all of them who actually put the time in to learn this extremely valuable skill, all of them are successful and they make money in the stock market. So if you want $400 worth of free training, go to beststockstrategy.com and enter your email address in order to acquire and obtain this valuable training. If you have any questions, you can comment below. If I forgot something, then you can comment below as well, and I will respond to every comment. I look forward to speaking with you or to hearing from you, and please take this advice to heart and improve your habits, work really hard, use your time well, remove distractions, focus on one thing, make sure that you're healthy both physically and mentally, and make sure that you surround yourself with a supportive group. And if your group is not supportive, then try to develop the positive psychology and the intrinsic motivation to know that if you work hard and you focus your efforts, then your future self will thank you, because you're going to compound the effort that you put in today to build up something that is incredibly strong, that has a solid foundation, and it's going to set your future up where you're not going to have to work hard and you're going to be able to live the life that you desire. Thank you so much for completing this course. That's amazing. A lot of people do not complete what they finish, and what they start rather. You completed what you started, and I have a lot of respect for you, and if you have any questions, I'm here to help.